Blackboard Collaborate is a virtual classroom or presentation environment that instructors and students can use outside of the physical classroom. Below you will find a quick how-to guide that shows how to use the presentation features in Blackboard Collaborate. First, you can share a simple white screen. This white screen allows you to type text for all guests to view while you present. To share a blank whiteboard, click Share Blank Whiteboard. The Select tool allows you to select items on the whiteboard. The pointer allows you to point to items on the screen, helps visualize items when presenting for students to follow along with. Pencil tool allows you to draw with a pencil. Shape tool allows you to draw shapes. Text tool allows you to type text with your keyboard. Clear tool, or the eraser, allows you to erase content on the whiteboard. Your next option is to share a screen. Whatever you see on that screen, your guests will see too. To share a screen, you would want to click the Share Application/Screen button. The Share Screen box will appear, showing all the screens you can share. In most cases, people will only have one monitor. Choose the screen and then press Share, because you are previewing your presentation screen, so it shows up in an infinite loop. Any screen you share will display totally normally, so you are now free to change windows and display whatever you need to display if sharing your screen. You can also share just an application or web browser window. You must have the file open before clicking the Share button. It will not show as a sharing option if the file is not open. To cancel the sharing on your screen or application, you can click the Cancel button as shown here. If you want to share a file for your students to download, click the Share Files button. Here you can click the Add Files button to add files you wish to share. Simply navigate to where the file is located on your computer and select the file/files you wish to share. Press Share Now when you are ready to share. Lastly, you can also take polls. To create a poll, click the polling option. Here you can choose a polling option. Your options are either multiple choice or yes/no questions. Click Start after creating your poll options. Now the poll will show. You can lock the poll when you are done, and you can end the poll by clicking one of the two End Poll buttons as shown in the screenshot below. A new poll button also appears next to the Raise Your Hand button at the bottom of the page. You can press that button to minimize or maximize the poll within your screen. This concludes the sharing features tutorial. Thank you.